Feeling overwhelmed by corporate tax filings? You are not alone. Meet TaxTron Corporate, the tax filing software built for both professionals and individuals. Simplify your taxes, avoid costly errors, and stay audit-safe. File your corporate taxes in minutes, not hours. No tax expertise? No problem. TaxTron's intuitive interface guides you step by step, making tax filing easier than ever. T2 filings, we've got you covered. With TaxTron, you can complete forms like election for a capital dividend T2054, Schedule 89, and underused housing tax, submit electronically, and stay updated with the latest CRA changes, all seamlessly integrated. Got a question? TaxTron's built-in help file gives you instant answers and directs you to the right forms, so you're never stuck. Take control of tax season. Try TaxTron Corporate today and enjoy free technical support to help you every step of the way. File smarter, save time, stay ahead with TaxTron Corporate. Start your journey now. Visit us online to learn more.